Welcome to our channel. If you're facing an infinite black screen when starting Lethal Company, don't worry. We have some quick fixes to help you get back into the game. Let's walk through the steps to solve this issue. 1. Run the game as administrator, PC. Sometimes, Lethal Company may require elevated permissions to run properly, especially if there are access issues with system files or settings. Step 1. Right-click on the game icon. Find Lethal Company in your Steam library or desktop shortcut. Right-click the icon and select Run as Administrator. Step 2. Test the game. Check if the game launches without the black screen after running it with admin rights. 2. Update your graphics drivers. Outdated or incompatible graphics drivers can cause issues with games, including black screens at startup. Step 1. Check for driver updates, NVIDIA/AMD. For NVIDIA users, open GeForce Experience and check for updates. For AMD users, open Radeon Software and check for driver updates. Step 2. Install the latest driver. Install any available updates and restart your PC before trying to launch the game again. 3. Verify game files integrity, Steam. Corrupted or missing game files can result in a black screen when launching the game. Steam has a built-in tool to verify the integrity of game files. Step 1. Open Steam. Go to your library in Steam and right-click on Lethal Company. Select Properties, then go to the Local Files tab. Step 2. Verify integrity. Click Verify integrity of game files. This will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 3. Relaunch the game. Once the process is done, try launching the game again. 4. Disable full screen optimization, Windows. Full screen optimization can sometimes interfere with game launching, especially for older or smaller games. Step 1. Find the game executable. Right-click on the Lethal Company shortcut or the .exe file in the Steam installation folder. Step 2. Disable full screen optimization. Go to Properties, Compatibility tab. Check the box for Disable full screen optimizations. Click Apply and OK, then try launching the game again. 5. Launch in windowed mode, PC. If the game is stuck in full screen mode and causes a black screen, switching to windowed mode can help. Step 1. Modify launch options in Steam. Go to your Steam library, right-click on Lethal Company, and select Properties. Under Launch Options, type the following. Diff. Copiola. Windowed. Step 2. Try starting the game. After applying the launch option, try launching the game again. 6. Disable antivirus/firewall temporarily. In some cases, antivirus or firewall settings may block parts of the game, causing a black screen at startup. Step 1. Disable antivirus. Temporarily disable your antivirus or add Lethal Company as an exception. Step 2. Disable Windows Defender, if applicable. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection settings, turn off real-time protection temporarily. Step 3. Test the game. After disabling these, try starting the game to check if the black screen issue persists. 7. Reinstall the game. If none of the above fixes work, reinstalling the game can resolve any deeper issues caused by corrupt files or configurations. Step 1. Uninstall the game. Right-click on Lethal Company in Steam and choose Manage, Uninstall. Step 2. Reinstall. After uninstalling, restart your PC, then reinstall Lethal Company from Steam. 8. Check for system updates. Ensure that your Windows OS is fully updated, as system updates can resolve compatibility issues that might cause games to crash or fail to start. Step 1. Check for updates. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update and install any available updates. Step 2. Restart your PC.